Let's see how to set up AI chatbots for educational institutions without any computer coding. Go to the Gallabox dashboard and click on Bots. Then, click on Bot Templates. You will find multiple bot templates catering to different industries. These templates have been carefully crafted based on numerous conversations with our top clients. Multiple bots have been built to simulate frequently dealt with use cases. Let's click on Education and launch a bot. I want to create a bot that helps students discover relevant courses and guides them through enrollment. So, I select the Program Inquiry bot. Click on the Select a Bot drop-down. Here, you define the bot's purpose. You can either create your own bot or append it to an existing one. I select Lead Generation Chatbot. Then, I deploy it and go to the flow. You can either select an existing flow or create a new one by clicking on Add New Flow and AI Agent. Then, select the AI agent you want from the existing list or build one from scratch. I choose Education Assistant, an existing agent. You can change the flow name here. Enter when you want the flow to be triggered. I want it to be triggered for a specific keyword. So, I chose that option and enter Find New Programs. After entering a drop-off message, click on Create. The flow is now created. Since it is a pre-made flow, the role, goal, and instructions are pre-filled. All you need to do is edit it to suit your brand. You can even erase the inputs and enter your own. Once done, click on Save Changes and then Publish. After publishing, click on Testbot and enter your phone number. You can either scan the code to test it on your mobile, or use WhatsApp Web. Notice how the keyword Find New Programs is added to the chat by default. Click on Send to initiate the bot. The bot has asked for the program I am interested in. When I answer, it responds with the information it has been programmed to provide. Now I ask a question for which the bot has not been programmed to respond. Still, it understands the context and provides relevant information. And here's how my conversation with the bot continued. Cool, right? And this is how you build smart AI chatbots for education without any coding knowledge. To build your own bot, sign up at Gallabox.com. For more such helpful content, subscribe to Gallabox's YouTube channel.